Hello, welcome to this overview of Click and Learn, the application that is the Rosetta Stone for mathematics for Caribbean students writing the CSEC Examination Mathematics. Now, on your screen you see the background of the application and you see this dialog box telling you it's Innovation Consultancy Licensing Agreement. Here you'll be entering your code. When you purchase the software, you'll getting a unique code that you will enter into the box, and you click OK, and on your screen this window appears. Tells you what to expect. Contents of CXC module on coordinate geometry part 1, and it indicates that there are 29 how-to video tutorials on the topic on coordinate geometry with interactive quizzes. The full version would have 42 how-to video tutorials and interactive quizzes, tons of interactive quizzes. So the topics covered are graphing the Cartesian coordinate system, graphing lines, the slope of a line, and so on, much more. You scroll down and you see the different topics covered. Graphs of basic functions, linear and constant functions, and so on. Then you click OK, and you're taken to the main page, Home Study Companion, Click and Learn. Now when you hover your cursor over a button, it's highlighted. That tells you that this button is selected. When you click on this button, something happens. Either video will play, or in the case of this button, you see a tooltip that says click here to preview the contents of this module. So let's do that and see. An interactive window opens and you'll hear the narration. You can't hear it now because I'm recording over the application. And you see this interface. You can highlight, you can enlarge the images by clicking on the magnifying icon at the bottom right here. And you can go through the interaction by clicking on the numbered buttons, numbered tabs below. For example, visuals enhance retention by 67%. And when you watch videos, when you do interactive quizzes, it further boosts retention. So we can close that application and we can go on. Click and Learn not only teaches you mathematics, but teaches you how to learn mathematics. You learn, for example, about your learning pyramid, passive learning and active learning, and why you should be actively engaged in the learning process, because you'll retain much more of what you study when you're actively involved. You'll stop that video. On this button, it takes you to the next page. When you click on this button, you can visit our website and get more information about other modules that are available. You can send us an email ordering another module or getting some more information. And this number, well, it should be 647-1901, just to be updated. You can print the contents of this module. A PDF document will appear on your screen and you can print that, showing you the list of topics covered. It's very comprehensive. Now on this page it says coordinate geometry, and each button here with a tick indicates a video lesson. Now the average length of a video lesson is around 4 to 5 minutes, so you will not be bored watching the video. And there, each video based lesson represents or is the equivalent of a classroom session. So for example, the topics covered would be the coordinate plane, the distance between 2 points, worked examples, calculate distance, use Pythagoras theorem. You have 3 videos on that, that's 3 lessons on that. Another worked example, More worked example, isosceles triangle, the right angle triangle, the midpoint formula review, midpoint worked examples, and here you have interactive quizzes. When you click on a button, an interactive quiz will pop up and you'll be able to check your understanding. You'll also learn problem solving strategies. No other software application or extra lessons provider provides you with or teaches you problem solving skills. Here you learn that when you click on that button. It's inactive now, but in the full version you'll get to see it. Here on the next page you see some more lessons: the formula of a circle, the equation of a circle, the graph of a circle. All these lessons take you step by step, showing you how to solve problems related to the circle graphs. Another quiz: graphing lines, the slope of a line, how to calculate it. You see this done on your screen. We human beings, we learn through emulation. That is, what others do, what we see others do, we can imitate. More interactive quizzes. So let's go back to the main menu, the menu page, and we can start this video just to give you an example of what works. Now you'll hear the voice of the narrator explaining what is the coordinate plane, the topic there, and shows you step by step how to plot points on the coordinate plane, the different parts of the plane and so on. Now you have complete control over the video. You can pause the video, you can replay it any number of times, and so on. So you are fully in charge of your own learning experience. You can study anytime, anywhere. So let's go to the menu page. You can click that, and it says here, remember, practice makes your skills permanent, so practice a lot. Click and Learn provides you with the tools for you to get better grades. Enjoy.